Ford invested very early in the first additive manufacturing machines, so we are printing for 30 years now. And that's why we looked for large format machines and found the BigRep 1. So here we have our first application for the BigRep 1. This is the seal gap frame. It's a quality assurance tool where we measure the gap between the body sides and the door of a vehicle. And after 2 or 3 successful prints, the BigRep 1 was already paid, and that was a huge success story. Yeah, a very common application for additive manufacturing is the Jigs and Fixture application. Here we have a handshake for positioning the badges on the lift gate of a vehicle. It's also printed with Pro HT on the BigRep 1. The biggest advantage of large-scale printing is getting rid of assemblies. When we are able to really produce bigger parts by one piece, this gives us a huge advantage. We invested in the BigRep Pro because the need for large-scale additive manufacturing increased over the time. We were not able to catch up all these needs, and that's why we need a machine that also has a higher speed that we can produce even more. To our mind, the Pro may be the enabler for end-use automotive parts.